In this video, I'm going to show you how you can triple your Go High Level website price by using just a few effects. So this is a standard Go High Level website template. As you can see, nothing too crazy about it. And in this video, as I said, we are gonna transform it. So let's hop into the Go High Level website builder and start redesigning the hero section for this website. And we're gonna start by merging these two rows into one, because I want them to be in the same main row, so to say, because we want to apply a general effect to the whole thing, right? The text, the sub headline, and obviously the button. Let's also add some styling to this, let's say 20 pixels margin, and then we are good to go. We are also gonna add some padding, let's say 140 and maybe 140 below, just so we have a bigger and cleaner hero section. And this is how it looks so far. Nothing too crazy, right? Just a simple hero section. And I want to disable the effect for this image because it's not really cool, just like that. And now I would like to create a code element here, and I would like to add a smooth scroll effect. This effect will transform the feel of the website, and it will make it feel more premium, more elegant, more expensive, right? Because that's what we want. So now all we need to do is go to my Notion doc, link in the description by the way, go to section 6, GSAP effects and animations, and here you'll find smooth scrolling effect. This is the effect, the tutorial, everything you need. Scroll down, copy the code, or pause the video and copy the code that you see on the screen, and then paste it inside here. And that's basically all you need to do in order for this amazing effect to work. And if we refresh here, as you can see, all of a sudden we have a really smooth and buttery scroll experience on this website. And trust me, this makes the website 10 times better in terms of user experience. You might not be able to see it properly on the video, but trust me, if you try this effect, you'll notice the difference right away. And of course, you can play around with the smoothness, let's say 1.8. This is very smooth. Let's save it. And as you can see, you just scroll a tiny bit and the page scrolls really nicely. So yeah, that was the smooth scrolling effect from section 6. And as you can see, we have tons and tons of really cool effects in this Notion doc. And if you're interested to get it, click on the first link in the description. Now that we added this effect, so we're gonna look now at multiple image parallax effect. Let me just copy the code from here and paste it inside here. All we need to do, scroll to the bottom, paste, and we don't want to have multiple imports. So we have the GSAP min, we have the scroll trigger and scroll smoother. This effect needs GSAP min and scroll trigger. And we already imported these scripts, so we can just delete these ones. So now we just have this cool script, right? That's basically the effect. And now we want to select this column that I previously selected. Sorry, the column, not the row. Go to styles and add image 1. Of course, this is an effect that works really nice for images, but you can also apply it to different sections, as you will see in just a second. Let's save. And if we refresh, as you can see, well, you might not be able to see it, but if you pay attention to the text, it scrolls at a different speed than the background. Very, very subtle, but we are not done because I want to play a bit with the settings. Let's add, instead of minus 200, let's go with 500. So 500, like positive values, will make the row scroll slower than the page, and negative values will make it go faster. So as you can see now, it definitely has a different speed than the background. Really cool. And combine this with the smooth scroller and you get a really nice feel to your website. Now I want to do something else. I want to select the whole section, go to styles and add image 2. This one, sorry, not here, here. As you can see, it has another effect. And in fact, if you have 3 or 4 things that you want to scroll at different speeds at the same time, you can just duplicate this and you can create an entirely different effect. So we want, again, positive values. So let's say 700 for image 2. And sorry, there is one more thing. Trigger is parallax section. So we copy this, click save, and we also need to apply the parallax section here. And if we refresh, as you can see, we have a really nice effect. The background scrolls at a different speed. Then we also have the text that slides behind the next section, which is really cool. Maybe we can play a bit around with the actual speed. So let's say 300, because 500 is a bit too much, to be fair. It's a bit too much. And now if we refresh, as you can see, we have a really nice effect. Pretty cool. But yeah, depending on how you want to play with this effect. Minus 200, let's see how this one looks. Yeah, I think this one looks the best in my opinion, because it goes up along with the scroll, but slower than the actual scroll. So yeah, this is the best option. Really cool effect. So yeah, those are 2 effects that if you use them, you could potentially triple the price of your Go High Level website. And if you're interested in getting the Notion doc, just click the first link in the description. And now if you're curious to see exactly how I build premium websites in Go High Level, watch this video.